Louis Vuitton kind of girl, you know, but I made my first purchase from Gucci, baby. Ooh, don't quote me. Y'all might as well get on Google. Y'all might as well get on Google. I have no Gucci. I thought I at least had some Gucci shades or something, but I don't. Hey y'all, I'm Raquel and welcome back to my channel where we are nevertheless and always the more. And if you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you can become a notification diva, honey. And you'll know when I upload videos. So in today's video, I'm so excited because I made my first purchase from Gucci, baby. I have no Gucci. I thought I at least had some Gucci shades or something, but I don't. I'm a Louis Vuitton kind of girl, you know, but this particular bag caught my eye, and ever since I seen it, I think I saw it like last year. I went and got it from Atlanta last week, and I held on to it so that I can unbox it with you guys. So in this video, we're going to unbox this bag. I'm gonna tell you, why I wanted it. I'm gonna show it to you, show you where it hangs on me, and I'm also gonna show you what fits inside. Like, why not? We're here, we're gonna stuff this baby up, see what can get inside of it and everything. So if you're interested in any of that, please stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I promise you, you're gonna love it here, honey. I mean, why not? Why wouldn't you? You know what I'm saying? Let me stop because I could just get to rambling and this video can be longer than what it's supposed to be. Let's unbox this bad boy.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Just unboxed it. Isn't she lovely? Like I said before, y'all, this is my first Gucci purchase. Gucci is just one of those brands, they just don't really catch my eye normally, but when I saw this bag in particular, I knew I had to have it. This is the Gucci Dionysus Supreme GG wallet on chain. Ooh, don't quote me. Y'all might as well get on Google. Y'all might as well get on Google. It's a tongue twister. He said it in the store and I was just pointing at him like, yeah, that one. He like, oh, the Gucci, yeah, that one. Like, whatever. I love the fact that it doesn't have that green and red strip. That has always kind of turned me off from buying Gucci. I just kind of don't like that strip. So even though this has the G's all over it, it's still giving very much so a neutral. I don't know what these are. I think that they are like, they look like Jaguars or Panthers or something. When I saw this, I was kind of sold. I'm like, oh my God, what is the name of that bag? I have to get it. It's flashy in the center and the chain, but I think that it's so tastefully done. It's still giving you that classy look and not a flashy look. It's really giving you neutrals, but Gucci. But neutral, but Gucci. And if you have been on my channel and seen my unboxing videos or any videos, baby, you know that I am a crossbody kind of girl. I love this style bag. Any type of wallet, small, all you can fit in is your phone, your lip gloss, and a little card holder. I'm sign me up. Those are the kind of bags I like. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. You can wear it to go shopping, you can wear it on a date. It does come in a mini size. That's what I actually went in the store for, but once I tried to put my phone in the bag, it didn't work. And I'm not buying a $1,200, the mini was $1,200. $1,200 bag that I can't even put my phone in. That was the deal breaker for me. So I was like, okay, what's the next size up? And it was this one. This bag has so much space in it. The way it spreads open like that, I love that. It has these little card pockets. It has this zip. It has a zip in the middle where you can probably store like your lip glosses or your makeup and stuff like that. It also has a space right here where I'm sure you can put your keys and your phone. Another space here compared to the mini. The mini was small. The mini was for lipstick and a card holder maybe, just being honest with you. So I'm very happy that I decided to go with this one. I think I would wear this bag with like an all black dress, or just an all black look, or even an all white look. I think this bag is gonna pair very well with neutrals. Hopefully I don't turn it into my everyday bag, because like I said, it's a crossbody and I'm a crossbody kind of girl. So I'd be like, ooh, let me grab that. Like that's quick, easy, straight to the point, and it's gonna make any outfit look fly. Now I do wish that this chain was gold. I just do. I wear more gold than anything. Although I really don't know, you know, how it would look gold. I just don't want it to clash with anything, you know, that I'm wearing. Like gold that's my preference, but hey, it's cute, honey. Next, we're gonna do a little what fits inside. Right here, I just have my everyday type of essentials, things that I would carry on an everyday basis. I got lip gloss, I got some hand lotion. I have my Gucci sample perfume that I've been wearing a lot lately. A tampon just in case. I know us girls, we need to know if a tampon can fit in our bag, girl. Some hand sanitizer, some the lipstick that I'm wearing, of course my phone. In the zipper part here, I'm going to drop all the like makeup lippy type stuff. We're gonna go ahead and put that tampon in there as well. And we're gonna zip it, put the card holder and hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put in the back right here. And my phone, I'm gonna put here. I'm sure my keys would definitely be able to fit in this spot here. I'm sure you probably could get some more stuff in here, but these are just my everyday essentials. Let's see if it closes. Okay, great. It didn't distort the bag in any way, and that's always what I'm looking for when I'm buying these little small wallet on chains, is how much I can get in here. It's always very important to me. I tried to just have on something neutral so you guys can see just how casual and cute it is. I love these. I think that when you go in there shopping, they're so eager to be like, yes, here, put it on. Because once you put it on, you're gonna buy it. It's a strategy to that. Because soon as I went in the mirror, I was like, oh yeah, go ahead and box it up, sir. If I was going out like on a date night or something, I would wear it on my shoulder. But if I was going, you know, shopping with the girls, I probably would have it like this. I think that it is super cute, and I think it's gonna be a great asset to my spring and summer wardrobe. I think I like it better like this. Oh, it's cute. I like it. Hey y'all. Hey girl. Girl. Gucci Museum. I end up taking out the hand sanitizer, and that kind of stopped it from like squishing on the side. I like that better. With crossbody bags and wallets on chains, you just gotta get it through your head that you cannot fit your entire purse inside the wallet. I'm talking to myself. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was informative. If you have your eye on this Gucci bag, I hope I was able to help you out, give you a little bit of insight to what the bag is all about. Can't wait to wear it. I think I'm gonna wear it tonight, just being honest with you. I think it's super cute. I'm happy that I went with the bigger size. And yeah, I think it's a nice bag. I think you should go out and get it, you know? If you like Gucci, if you like not to be too flashy, but you like a little, you know, a little something, you know, on your shoulder, I think this bag will be great for you. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Videos go up on my channel every Wednesday at 6 p.m., but just to be on the safe side, go ahead and turn on that notification bell so you'll know when my videos go up. tell a friend about my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every